Hello, and welcome back to English Daily Flow.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video. I'm Emma.
And I'm Kevin. We are here to help you practice real, everyday English.
If you like learning with us, please click like and subscribe. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. Today, we have a very special topic. We are going to talk about daily routines.
That is right. We are going to talk about what we do from the moment we wake up until we go to sleep.
And we will talk about why waking up is the hardest thing in the world.
Speak for yourself, Kevin. I love mornings, but I have a feeling your routine is very different from mine.
You have no idea. My routine is less of a routine and more of a survival strategy.
Well, this is going to be fun. Let's start at the beginning, the morning. So, Kevin, how are you today? Did you have a peaceful start to the day?
Chuckling? Peaceful? No. I'm doing okay now, but my morning was, let's call it, interesting.
Oh dear, tell me everything. What time did you wake up?
Well, my alarm was set for 7 a.m., a very reasonable time, right?
Yes, 7 a.m. is a good time.
But when the alarm rang, my brain said, no thank you. So I hit the snooze button.
Ah, the dangerous snooze button.
Yes, I thought just 5 more minutes. Then the alarm rang again. I hit it again. Just 5 more minutes.
Let me guess, you did this many times.
I did it 6 times, Emma, 6 times. Suddenly, I looked at the clock and it was 8:15.
8:15? But you start work at 9.
Exactly. I panicked. I jumped out of bed like a rocket, but because I was half asleep, I tripped over my own blanket and fell on the floor. Thump.
Oh no, are you okay?
My pride is hurt, but my body is fine. So I ran to the bathroom. I needed to brush my teeth very fast.
Hygiene is important even when you are late.
Yes, but in my panic, I grabbed the wrong tube. I put cream on my toothbrush.
Wait, what kind of cream?
Shaving cream.
No, you didn't.
I did. I put the toothbrush in my mouth and immediately realized my mistake. It tasted like soap and chemicals. I was spitting foam everywhere like a crazy dog.
That is a terrible way to start the day. So you washed your mouth, I hope.
Yes, I washed it with lots of water. Then I tried to get dressed, but remember, I am still panicking. I couldn't find my socks.
The mystery of the lost socks.
I found one black sock under the bed, and I found one white sock in the drawer. I didn't have time to look for more, so today I'm wearing one black and one white sock.
You are starting a new fashion trend, Kevin. It looks unique.
Thank you. I call it I woke up late style.
So, did you have time for breakfast?
Breakfast? No. I grabbed a banana, but I didn't even have time to peel it. I just put the banana in my pocket and ran out the door.
A banana in your pocket? That is risky.
It is. I'm afraid to check my pocket now. It might be mashed banana soup in there.
You are a disaster, Kevin. My morning was very different.
Please tell me. Make me jealous.
Well, I woke up at 6:30. No alarm. My body just knows the time.
Show off.
I stretched in bed for 5 minutes. Then I got up and drank a tall glass of warm water with lemon.
Warm water? Why not coffee?
It's good for digestion. Then I sat by the window and wrote in my journal for 20 minutes. It helps me focus.
You write in a journal? I can barely write my own name in the morning.
Then I made a healthy breakfast, oatmeal with blueberries and nuts, and a nice cup of herbal tea.
That sounds like a spa hotel, not a normal life. You are so organized.
It helps me feel calm. If I start the day rushing, I feel stressed all day.
I feel stressed just listening to your perfect morning. Okay, let's talk about the next part, the commute, getting to work. How do you get to the office, Kevin? I take the bus, the number 42 bus.
Is it a nice journey?
It is an adventure. Today, because I was late, I had to run to the bus stop. I was running down the street, waving my hands, shouting, "Wait, wait!"
Did the driver wait for you?
He saw me, he looked right in my eyes, and he closed the doors.
Oh, no, that is so mean.
It was heartbreaking. I had to wait 10 minutes for the next one. When I finally got on, it was packed, crowded, like sardines in a tin can.
I hate that feeling. No personal space.
Exactly. I was standing next to a man who smelled like onions, and every time the bus turned, I fell onto him. Sorry, sorry.
That is so awkward.
And then, the worst part, I started to fall asleep standing. My head was nodding. Bub, bub. I almost hit my head on the metal pole.
Oh, Kevin, you really need more sleep. I drive to work, but traffic can be bad.
Do you listen to music in the car?
Yes, I listen to podcasts or audiobooks. It makes the traffic feel faster. Today, I learned about history while I was stuck at a red light.
See? You're learning history. I'm falling on onion-smelling strangers. We are not the same.
We arrive at work. Let's talk about the work routine. How do you start your workday?
Well, I arrive, I'm sweating, I'm wearing different socks, I sit at my desk and I try to look professional.
Do you have a to-do list?
I have a list, but I usually lose it. My first hour is just staring at my computer screen and drinking coffee. Coffee is the fuel.
Coffee is important, but you need a plan. I check my emails first, then I prioritize my tasks.
You use big words like prioritize. I just try not to cry.
It can't be that bad.
The morning goes okay, but then 2 p.m. arrives.
Ah, the afternoon slump.
Yes, the slump. It hits me hard. I eat lunch, usually a sandwich, and then my body wants to shut down. My eyes get heavy.
It happens to everyone. Your body is digesting food.
I have a trick. I put my hand on my chin like I am thinking very deeply, but actually, I am napping with my eyes open.
Kevin, does your boss know this?
I hope not. Sometimes I type random letters just to make noise. Click, click, click. Look at me. I am working so hard.
You are terrible. You should drink water or walk around the office.
I usually just go to the kitchen and look for sugar. A cookie, a donut, anything.
Sugar gives you energy for 10 minutes and then you crash again.
I know, but those 10 minutes are glorious.
Let's fast forward. Work is finished. 5 p.m. Freedom.
The best word in the English language. Freedom.
What is your evening routine? This is important for relaxing.
I get home, and the first thing I do, the absolute first thing, is change my clothes.
Into what?
Into my soft clothes. Sweatpants, an old t-shirt with a hole in it.
Very stylish.
Comfort is king. Then I stand in front of the fridge with the door open.
Looking for what?
I don't know. I just stare at the food, hoping something delicious will appear by magic.
Does it ever work?
No, usually I just see old milk and ketchup, so I have to cook or order pizza.
Kevin, you order pizza too much.
I know, but cooking is hard. The last time I cooked, remember, the candy pasta?
I will never forget the candy pasta. Okay, so you eat dinner, then what?
Then I go to the sofa. My best friend, the sofa. I turn on the TV.
Do you watch a movie?
No, I watch a series, and I tell myself a lie. Every night, the same lie.
What is the lie?
I will watch just one episode.
And how many do you actually watch?
4, maybe 5. Suddenly, it is midnight, and I'm wondering who killed the main character.
And that is why you're tired the next morning. It is a vicious cycle, Kevin.
It is. It is a trap. I can't stop. What do you do in the evening? Please tell me you watch TV too.
Sometimes I watch a little TV, but usually I read a book or I take a long bath with candles.
Candles? You are so fancy.
It helps me unwind. That is a good word. Unwind, to relax.
I unwind by scrolling on my phone until my eyes hurt.
That is a bad habit, Kevin. Blue light from the phone wakes up your brain. You should stop using your phone 1 hour before sleep.
1 hour? What would I do? Talk to myself?
You could meditate. You could prepare your clothes for the next day so you don't wear mismatched socks.
That is actually a very good idea. Maybe I should try that.
You really should. Routine is about building good habits.
You are right. I need to fix my life. Starting tonight, maybe.
Well, we have talked a lot about our days. I think our listeners have heard some great vocabulary.
Yes, let's take a break from my chaotic life and teach some of these words properly.
Great idea. Let's do our mini vocabulary lesson.
I'm ready. What is the first word?
The first word is snooze. S-N-O-O-Z-E.
I know this one well. To snooze means to delay your alarm. You sleep for a short time, usually 5 or 10 minutes.
I hit the snooze button 3 times this morning.
Only 3? Amateur.
The next word is hectic. H-E-C-T-I-C.
Hectic describes a situation that is very busy, fast, and maybe a little chaotic.
My morning was very hectic because I woke up late.
My whole life is hectic, Emma.
The next word is commute. C-O-M-M-U-T-E.
Commute is the journey you take from your home to your job.
My commute takes 20 minutes by car, or I commute by bus.
Or I run after the bus for my commute.
The next word is slump. S-L-U-M-P.
We usually say afternoon slump. It means a sudden drop in energy. You feel tired and your brain is slow.
I drink coffee to fight the afternoon slump.
I eat cookies to fight the slump.
The last word is unwind. U-N-W-I-N-D.
To unwind means to relax after a period of work or tension. Imagine a tight string becoming loose.
I unwind by reading a book.
I unwind by wearing soft sweatpants.
Perfect. Those are 5 very useful words for daily life.
Now let's summarize what we talked about today.
We talked about morning routines, the difference between an early bird, like me, and a night owl, like Kevin.
We talked about the commute and the stress of public transport.
We discussed the workday and how to stay productive, or how to fake it.
We talked about evening routines and the danger of watching too much TV.
The grammar focus today was the present simple tense.
Yes, I wake up, I eat, I go. We use this for habits and routines.
Remember, you don't say, I am waking up every day. You say, I wake up every day.
Simple and easy.
Now it's time for the best part of the show.
The question of the day.
We want to hear from you, our listeners.
Today's question is, what is the first thing you do when you wake up?
Be honest. Do you check your phone immediately?
Do you drink water? Do you stretch?
Or do you hit the snooze button like Kevin?
Please tell us in the comments below. We read every single comment.
Yes, we love reading about your lives. It connects us.
And if you have a funny story about a morning disaster, like using shaving cream as toothpaste, please share it. I don't want to feel alone.
I'm sure you are not alone, Kevin.
Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like.
And subscribe to English Daily Flow. We have many more conversations coming for you.
What is our next topic, Emma?
Next time, we will talk about something very important, going to the doctor.
Oh, that is good. I think I swallowed some shaving cream this morning, so I might need a doctor.
You'll be fine, Kevin. Just drink some water.
Okay, I will try.
Thank you, everyone, for listening. Have a productive and happy day.
And find matching socks. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.